Thanks for subscribing this channel. We're going to take a look into how to create a new class in Seesaw. So just go into our account, click the create new class. So you can have two options there. You can either import your classes directly from Google Classroom, or you can even create your own class in Seesaw. To make ourselves easy, so we would suggest you to import your classes directly from Google Classroom. So if you click it there, you can have the list of your classes in your Google Classroom. So you can select your class and also the grade. Once you have selected, just click the import classes. Once you have imported the classes, you can have a pop-up. It shows that import successful, means you have your class there. You have a sample student in your class just for a testing purpose. If let's say you want to test an assignment, you can use as a teacher, you can use a sample student to test how the student can respond, whether it's work or not. If let's say you do not want to have this class, or you want to close this class, you can archive this class, so that you can go to class settings, click archive class over there, so that the class will be archived. So but it is not deleted permanently. If you want to delete the classes permanently, go to your account setting, click your account, click the setting button, and then click your account settings over there. And then if you scroll down, you can see manage archive classes. Click that one, and then you can have the list of the classes that have been archived. If let's say you want to delete it permanently, you can delete the classes. If let's say you want to restore the classes, you may do so. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, share with your friends this video. We will see you on the next video about how to create an assignment for the students.